This simple-looking plant grows in some of the driest corners of Mexico, but inside its thick green leaves is a powerful gel used in everything from skincare creams to health supplements. Every day, thousands of these leaves are harvested by hand, but what happens next will surprise you. From muddy fields to ultra-clean labs, we followed the entire journey of aloe vera to uncover how this healing gel is made and why it ends up in your bathroom cabinet. Every day, over 3,500 aloe vera leaves are processed. It takes around 20 leaves to produce nearly 4 liters of aloe gel. We visited one of the largest aloe farms in the world to find out. Mexico is one of the top producers of aloe vera globally, with nearly 27,000 acres dedicated to its cultivation. Most plantations are located in arid and semi-arid regions, where the dry climate is perfect for aloe vera to thrive. One of the world's biggest aloe farms is located in the state of Puebla. Farmers grow aloe vera in raised beds, which improves airflow and makes harvesting easier. Although aloe vera is drought-tolerant, proper irrigation is still crucial. The success of these farms depends heavily on water availability. To ensure consistent irrigation, water is channeled from nearby rivers to the fields, helping the plants stay hydrated. Aloe leaves are made up mostly of water, which makes them incredibly hydrating. They're also packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants that are great for your skin and overall health. Aloe vera is a succulent plant, meaning it stores water in its thick, fleshy leaves to survive long, dry spells. It grows slowly and can take up to 3 years to fully mature before it's ready to be harvested. The stored water inside the leaves turns into a sticky, jelly-like substance with over 200 bioactive compounds, including vitamins, glycoproteins, and polysaccharides, key ingredients in its moisturizing and healing power. Aloe harvesting is done by hand. Workers carefully cut only the mature outer leaves, leaving the inner ones to keep growing. This allows each plant to be harvested repeatedly for up to 10 years. About 750 people work these fields. They hand-pick mature leaves that are 16 to 24 inches long, cutting them from the base early in the morning to avoid losing gel to the heat. Each harvested leaf weighs at least 1 pound. On average, 7.5 tons are collected every day. Workers load the leaves into trucks and will return in 2 to 3 months to harvest the ones that have grown in the meantime. The leaves are rushed to the processing facility to prevent oxidation. Trucks travel 15 miles to the plant, where a precise process begins to extract the valuable gel. Export companies set up processing plants close to the farms, where aloe goes through washing, gel extraction, and stabilization before being shipped in barrels to cosmetics manufacturers in the US, Europe, and Asia. Each day, 118 tons of fresh aloe leaves arrive here. That gets turned into 75,000 liters of fresh gel daily for export. The process starts with a thorough wash. Leaves are soaked in a 10,000-liter chlorinated water bath to kill any insects or bacteria. Then, they're rinsed in clean water to remove any remaining chemicals before moving to the next stage. Extracting the gel from inside the leaf is tricky. The thick, sticky texture makes it hard to handle. First, the thorny edges are trimmed with sharp blades. Then, workers slice the leaf open and remove the clear gel inside. They cut the edges and peel out the jelly-like fillet manually. This trembling slab of gel is what ends up in skincare products. They have to work quickly to fillet 3,500 leaves each day. While some companies use machines, this facility still does it by hand. The leftover leaf scraps are returned to the soil as fertilizer. Buckets of gel fillets are weighed and dumped onto a large table, where workers inspect them and trim off any remaining leaf parts. Next, they remove the ALOE, a bitter yellow liquid that can irritate the skin or act as a laxative. The fillets are then blended into a pure aloe gel. The gel is passed through filters to remove any remaining impurities. At this stage, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, is added to extend shelf life. Because natural aloe gel is hard to store and ship, it's cooled to 5 degrees Celsius. This thickens the gel, making it easier to pack into 200-liter barrels. The entire process, from leaf to barrel, takes just 3 hours. But before shipping, each barrel undergoes strict quality control. Samples are taken to the lab to check for bacteria or contamination. If any batch fails the hygiene standards, it's rejected. These tests take about an hour. Approved barrels are sent to manufacturers worldwide, where aloe gel becomes a key ingredient in cosmetics, pharmaceutical products, and dietary supplements. One of the main destinations is a well-known cosmetics company in the UK. There, the gel is mixed with synthetic oils and emulsifiers in massive vats to make products like soaps and moisturizers. Precision is everything. A computer system monitors blade speed and temperature during mixing. The mixture is first heated to 75 degrees Celsius to melt oils, waxes, and emulsifiers. However, aloe vera can't be added at this point. High temperatures would destroy its soothing and hydrating properties. The gel is only added once the mix cools below 40 degrees Celsius, preserving its effectiveness. Each barrel contains enough gel to make 16,000 hand cream tubes. Accurate dosing is critical, too little gel, and the final product loses its moisturizing benefits. After 8 hours of blending, the cream is ready for packaging. But there's a race against the clock. It must be filled before it cools and solidifies. The mix is pumped into the filling room, where in just 4 hours it turns into 4 tons of cream packed into 16,000 tubes. That's over 1 tube per second. Each one passes a sensor that ensures perfect alignment and exact dosing. Surprisingly, the cream is filled from the bottom of the tube, not the top, to speed up production. To seal the product, the plastic is heated to 320 degrees Celsius, hot enough to make it soft without melting. After sealing, the tubes go through quality testing. Once they pass inspection, the tubes are packed and shipped to cosmetic stores around the world, ready to deliver the healing power of aloe to millions of consumers. If you want to know how Doritos are made, watch the video on your screen, and please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.